Kusuzangpo and greetings to you all. I'm Kumudoji from Engineering Geology Department, currently studying in College of Science and Technology in second year. So today I'm going to talk about the Sikkim Himalaya Earthquake which took place on September 18, 2011. Let me give a few information about the Sikkim Himalaya Earthquake. So this earthquake hits at around 6:11 p.m. on September 18, 2011. The magnitude of an earthquake was recorded as 6.9 and the focal depth is 10 km. The epicenter of earthquake was in Sikkim, India. So after the main shock, the three aftershock occurs of magnitude 5.7, 5.1 and 4.6. Because of this earthquake, many houses are being damaged in Bhutan. So this table shows the extent of damages to the housing across the 20 dzongkhaks in Bhutan, and total 7,965 houses are being affected. So based upon the number of houses which is been affected, I have categorized the whole region into 4 different parts. That is worstly affected, represented by a dark red color, moderate affected, which represent by a red color, few affected, which represent by a light red color, and least affected, which has been represented by a gray color. So worst affected region includes Achukha, Ha, Paro and Samtsi, where the moderate affected includes Samongar, Punakha, Tashiangtsi, and few affected region includes Tagana, Kasa, Thimphu, Tashigang, Sirang, and finally the least affected region includes Bumthang, Thunchi, Pemagatsel, Samru Jonkar, Sarpang, Wongdifodang, Trongsa, and Jemgang. So based upon these 4 different classifications, I want to plot these regions on map using a QGIS. So let me classify the region based upon the extent of damages by using a QGIS. So let me open my QGIS. Choose a new empty project and insert a shapefile. So since the name of the dzongkhaks are not appeared here, so let me insert the name of the dzongkhaks. Before inserting, let me check attribute table. So the name of the dzongkhak lies under name 1. So go to the properties, level, make it a single level, and choose name on name 1. Let me apply. So this is the map of Bhutan representing all the name of the dzongkhaks. So first of all, let me choose the worstly affected 4 regions. That includes Paro, Ha, Samtse and Chukha. Yes, these 4 regions are the worstly affected regions. So let me export it and rename it as worstly affected. The layer has been successfully saved. So let me change the color to a dark red color. Next, I want to choose a moderate affected region that includes Mongar, Punakha and Tashiangtsi. These three regions are the worst affected region. So let me export the layer and rename it as worst affected. So these three regions are the moderate affected region. So let me rename it as moderate affected. The vector layer has been successfully saved. So let me change the color to a red color. Next, I want to choose a few affected regions that includes Dagana, Gasa, Thimphu, Tashkang, and Zirang. So these 5 regions are few affected region. Let me export and rename it as a few affected. So let me change the layer. Let me change the color to light red color. Lastly, let me choose least affected region. So this region includes Bumthang, Khinsi, Pemagatsel, Samjujungkar, Sarpong, Wongdu, Tongsa, and Jimgang. So let me export it again and rename it as least affected. So let me change the color to a gray color. So let me insert a map first. To do that, let me click on add item and add map. So this is the map that I have been loaded on QGIS. First of all, let me rename the title of the map. Let me choose center and middle. So let me write the name of the map as extent of damages to the housing across Bhutan. Let me enlarge a size of the title to 13. Let me add a frame, enlarge its size. So this is the title of my map. Next, I want to insert a node arrow. So click on add item, add node arrow. So let me add node arrow here. So since this image is not a good way to represent, so let me choose it from my desktop. So let me choose this one and insert here. So next I want to add a legend. So to add a legend, first click on add item, add a legend. Let me delete BTN ADM1. So let me write the title it as legend. Let me add a frame for the legend, enlarge a size. So this is the legend for the map. So again, let me add a scale bar. Let me change style to line ticks up. Let me increase the line segment on right to 3. So this is the scale bar. And finally I want to add a coordinate system. To add a coordinate system, first of all let me click on the grids. So choose a grid 1 and modify. Let me make it to 1 1. Next, go to the door coordinates, click on the door coordinates, and let's make it as, choose this one. So let me make the left side not an horizontal but make it as vertical ascending, and let me make left as vertical descending. So that's all about it. And finally, I want to add a frame. So let me increase the thickness of the frame here.